BTMS Batangas, Golden Star 15.
Golden Star 15, ulit ako ng report mo po ulit.
Okay. Call sign, Delta Uniform Alpha 3676. Last port of call, Tawag, Sambales. Next port of call, Mabini, Batangas. Forward drop, 3.5 meters. Up drop, 4.2 meters. Cargo on board, 5 Burusan. Total crew on board, 1-4, including master. PTA at Mabini, 1400, August 1, 2024. Voyage number 49.
Copy, Golden Star 15, tawag ang call time Mabini. Salamat, Pax 16.
Thank you, sir. 16. Subic Port Control, Golden Star 15. Yes, sir. Good morning. Last port of call, Mabini, Batangas. Next port of call, Tawag, Sambales.
Golden Star 15 to report.
Total crew on board, 16, including master.
Golden Star 15 to report.
Yes, sir. Subic Port Control.
Grande Island, ETA passing Grande Island.
ETA, Grande Island, 0900, sir.
Total standby. 0900, correct?
0900, sir.
Golden Star 15, pakiulit, anong ETA?
ETA namin sa Kawag, sir, 10-1000. 1000, sir. 1000.
Kap, kaka-advise ng kapatid kay Victorious pa-set up ng sa website yan.
Sir, pakiulit, sir.
Golden Star 15 to report, ETA mo, sir?
ETA to Kawag, sir, is 1000 hours.
Na-advise na namin ka pa sisend kayo mag-abot, no?
Advice ulit pag-abit sa Grande Island.
Sabi ka na advise namin ka pa, follow lang ka. Yes, sir.
BTMS Corridor, Golden Star 15.
Sorry, Golden Star 15, dito na sa radar, sir.
Sir, pakiulit, sir.
Go ahead, sir, report.
Yes, sir. Call sign, Delta Uniform Alpha 3676. Last port of call, Kawag, Sambales. Next port of call, Batangas, Mabini. Forward drop, 3.3 meters. Up drop, 4.4 meters. Cargo on board, Vibrosan. Total crew on board, 1-4, including master. Voyage number 13. ETA to Mabini Port, May 19, 2024, 0400 hours. sir, back to 16. BTMS Batangas, BTMS Batangas, Golden Star 15.
Golden Star 15,
1-1. BTMS Batangas, Golden Star 15.
Golden Star 15, magandang umaga.
Yes sir, good morning sir. Call sign Delta Uniform Alpha 3676. Next port of call Mabini, Batangas. Last port of call Tawag, Zambales. ETA to Mabini, Batangas 1400 hours. Total crew on board 14 including master. Cargo on board Bebro San. Forward drop 3.1 meters, up drop 4.4 meters. Voyage number 15.
Okay, contact Golden Star 15, tawag na anchor time. Salamat sa tabi 16.
Thank you sir, 16. Subic Port Control, Subic Port Control, Golden Star 15. Subic Port Control, Subic Port Control, Golden Star 15.
Golden Star 15 na standby. Malasugi, port.
17. Subic Port Control, Golden Star 15.
Golden Star 15 to report, guys.
Yes sir, reporting. Tawag, Sambalik, next port. Forward drop 0.2 meters. Up drop 1.6 meters. No cargo on board. 1-4 including master, total crew on board. ETA in Tawag 0900 hours. Voyage number 18.
Golden Star, di pa tayo 12. May tao dito, di pa tayo 12.
Di pa 12.
Golden Star 15 to report.
Golden Star 15. Yes sir, next port Tawag, Zambales. Forward drop 0.2. Up drop 1.6 meters. No cargo on board. Total crew on board 14 including master. Voyage number 18. ETA to Kawag Port 1000 hours.
Sir, port departure ka?
Departure port, Mabini, Batangas, sir. Subic Port Control, Golden Star 15.
Inbound ka ba?
Okay ulit, sir.
Golden Star 15 to report.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Sir, confirm ko lang inbound ka ba?
LCT po kami, sir. LCT.
Incoming o outbound ka? Paalis.
Inbound, sir. Inbound. Inbound kami.
Ano sa Grande?
Papasok pa kami ng Grande Island, sir.
Anong oras mo sa Grande? ETA Grande. Yung ETA mo dyan sa Grande, para ma-advise ka regarding sa traffic. May mga kapay ka.
sir.
Pakibalik. Napuputol.
0900.
Copy, 0900. Sige, sir. Copy, sir. 0900. Well, copy. Proceed na lang. Tawag ng Abim Grande. Then, diretso ka na sa kawag. Tawag din ng security mo, man.
Okay sir, tawag ulit pagka kabib sa Grande.
Copy, sir. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Good morning.
Okay sir, morning. BTMS Manila, Golden Star 15.
Oriental Glory 14.
BTMS Manila, Golden Star 15. BTMS Corridor, Golden Star 15.
Golden Star 15, good morning, go ahead, sir.
Sir, good morning sir. Reporting Golden Star 15. Call sign Delta Uniform Alpha 3676. Voyage number 51. Last port of call, Tawag, Zambales. Next port of call, Mabini, Batangas. Forward drop 3.1 meters. Up drop 4.2 meters. Cargo on board, Vibrosan. Total crew on board, 1-4, including master. ETA at Mabini, Batangas, 05 August 2004, 0400 hours.
Traffic Golden Star 15, ingat sa biyahe na bigit with caution. Back to us, sir.
Back to 16, thank you sir. BTMS Batangas, Golden Star 15.
Right, Golden Star 15, magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon sir, now reporting sir. Call sign Delta Uniform Alpha 3676. Voyage number 51. Last port of call, Tawag, Zambales. Next port of call, Mabini, Batangas. Forward drop 3.1 meters. Up drop 4.2 meters. Cargo on board, Vibro Sun. Total crew on board, 1-4, including master. ETA at Mabini, Batangas, 2300.
Okay, tawag na ang time, Golden Star 15, salamat, back to 16.
Back to 16, thank you sir. Subic Port Control, Golden Star 15. Yes sir, good morning. Delta Uniform Alpha 3676, call sign. Last port of call, Mabini, Batangas. Next port of call, Tawag, Zambales. Voyage number 56. Forward drop 1.2 meters. Up drop 2.4 meters. No cargo on board. Total crew on board, 1-4, including master. ETA at Tawag, 0900.
Golden Star 15, sir, anong ibig mo sa Grande?
ETA to Grande sir, 0730.
Copy, sir, proceed lang, tawag kami sa Grande.
Okay sir, tawag ulit pagdating sa Grande, Abib. BTMS Batangas, Golden Star 15.
Golden Star 15, go ahead, magandang.
Good morning sir. Call sign Delta Uniform Alpha 3676. Voyage number 89. Last port of call, Tawag, Zambales. Next port of call, Mabini, Batangas. Forward drop 3.8. Up drop 4.2. Cargo on board, Vibrosan. Total crew on board, 1-4, including master. ETA at Mabini, Batangas, 1200 hours.
Roger sir, 15, batch number mo, 89.
Roger sir, 89.
Okay, tawag ka kay Pan Mabini, Roger sir, 15, salamat.
Salamat po sir.